Now, Gambia has received the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine donated by the United States government to repel the third wave of the outbreak. The vaccine is said to be effective for even those with increased risk of growing of the viruses because of the underlying conditions. The initiative was welcomed by the health minister during the handing over exercise at the Banjul International Airport. Khadija Seka tells us more in this report.
Since the confirmation of the first case of the coronavirus, the world was set on battle with the virus that claimed the lives of millions of people. 6 types of vaccines were recommended by the World Health Organization to bail the world out of the disruptive nature of the global pandemic. The gesture from the United States formed part of the first shipment of 25 million doses to Africa from the pledge by President Joe Biden during the G Summit in June. The Gambia received more than 151,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine during a presentation presided over by the U.S. Ambassador to the Gambia. Regarding the safety of the vaccine, the World Health Organization representative assured that it is both safe and effective even for people with increased risk of severe disease.
The vaccine is safe and it's effective in people even with known medical conditions. So even with underlying medical conditions such as heart disease, such as diabetes, chronic lung disease, the vaccine is safe in those people. And these are the same people also that suffer from severe COVID when they contract COVID. 28 days after vaccination with the Janssen vaccine, the effectiveness against severe disease of COVID-19 is up to 85.4%. It's quite high. And 93.1% against hospitalization. Therefore, using this vaccine will help us free our spaces, will help us use our resources for other things, and really will be a game changer in the Gambia, like Jonathan said.
The UNICEF country representative Gordon Jonathan Lewis said the Gambia will be able to vaccinate more than 700,000 people within the next 12 months.
So with this contribution of single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccines, together with a significant amount of vaccines that are already confirmed in the pipeline for delivery between July, August 2021 and the second quarter of 2022, Minister, the Gambia will have sufficient vaccines to vaccinate well over 700,000 people.
According to reports, more than 1 billion COVID vaccines had been administered globally as of June 2021. However, vaccines have not been equitably distributed, with the developing countries at the lower end of the table. With regards to the progress of vaccines across the African continent, 82.7 million doses has been procured, out of which 61.3 doses were administered in 51 member states. According to the Africa Center for Disease Control, 1.39% of the African population has been fully vaccinated, with Morocco, South Africa, Egypt, Nigeria and Algeria among the top vaccinating countries. Khadija Seka, iAfrica News.